Welcome back my DIY nomads, another really quick video. As I said before, Sunday's the big day. Today we're going to do the big reveal, who's won the competition. I'm going to do a random reveal using an online application. It's going to scroll through all the comments from the last video and I'm going to select 5, there's 5 of you I remember now, and I'll be in contact soon. So here it is, we've loaded in the video. We have got 175 comments, so thank you so much everyone. Let's randomly pick the first winner. Richard Almond. Well done, sir. There you go. That's our first winner. Or Richard Almond. I don't know how you say your surname. I do apologise. The next winner is Scott in MN. And no, unfortunately, Scott, it does not come with a van. But well done, sir. You're the second winner. Next one up. Duke's Pursuits. Yes, please. I'm actually just waiting for the train to leave, so I can go get my van as I type. Well done, Duke's Pursuits. You're the third winner. The fourth one is Marshmallow. Fingers crossed. There you go. Well done. And the last one is Rich Barher. Hi Hugh, awesome videos. Keep it up. And if you put my name in the hat for the comp, that would be awesome, bud. There you go. Well done to those 5. I'm really sorry to everyone else that wasn't a winner. There we go, everyone. So those are our winners. I'm really sorry if you didn't win. This is just the best that I can do at the moment to try and give back to you guys. But thank you all so much for taking part in making my channel get to where it is. On for the next 10,000, I think we go. I'm going to reach out to you 5 winners now, and we will get this whole process underway. I'm going to find out what country you're from, what's the best tool store to use in your country, and I'll ship your vouchers to you as soon as I can. That is the end of Easter Sunday for me. I'm going to sign out now, and I'm going to leave you guys with it, and hopefully all of you have had a really good Easter as well. I'll be back resuming normal content next Thursday. I'll catch all of you then.